The question that I keep on hearing over and over and over again is this the time to start buying? And the fact that I'm getting that question a lot tells me that the answer is no. The reason why is because, well, when there is real fear in the market, nobody wants to buy. Like, even the professionals are a little skittish about buying, and nobody is going in with both hands all ready to buy everything. That's not how this works. The way that it does work, the way that you want to do this, is to first wait for some kind of a rally, and we've been seeing those, and that's the thing that's getting people to say, like, hey, is now the time to buy? You just have one signal. It's just that first rally day, that first day up. You're going to need to see a couple of those. You don't want to get in at the exact bottom. The second thing that you're going to need is to start to see some kind of base patterns start to form. So when you are looking at the types of stocks that you're interested in, you should have a watch list. I have a watch list that has about 100 stocks, a little over 100 different stocks that I'm interested in. And I'll go through that list and I'll see how they are responding relative to the overall market. Are they getting support somewhere? Are they starting to consolidate? Are they starting to break out? And that's not just showing me what opportunities are available, but it's also telling me, is the market actually bottoming? And is it the time for me to start to get active again on the long side? So there's two things. The third thing that you're going to want to see too is what's known as a follow-through day. Now, what a follow-through day is, first you have that bottom, right? That first rally day. Then you wait a period of about 3 more days, and then if you get another rally, then that's starting to show a follow-through. That's something that legendary trader William O'Neill made famous in his book, How to Make Money in Stocks. It's a fantastic book. I highly recommend that you go read it. So those are the 3 things that you want to see first before you want to start testing. And testing meaning that you're going to buy a little bit, see how those trades work. Those work great. Then you're going to start buying some more and adding in. At no point do you ever want to just plunge all in, that this is the once in a lifetime opportunity. Bullshit. There is no once in a lifetime opportunity. The real opportunity is the big bull market that will eventually follow, and you want to have plenty of capital left in order to trade that bull market. If you are saying that this is a once in a lifetime opportunity and you keep going all in and you stop yourself out, what you're going to do is end up with the death of 1,000 cuts. And when the bull market does arrive, you'll be digging yourself out of a hole rather than having that true once in a lifetime opportunity.